To access the Teleconference quick link, you must first enable it within your account. You must have a DietMaster web subscription. From the admin area, click Settings. Uncheck Hide Teleconference Link. Enter in the default path in which your participants will join your teleconference. Once this is done, click Save. You may leave it to the hello.freeconference.com to access free teleconference service. After you click Save, access the user list. From the list, load any profile. Once you have loaded the profile, the teleconference shortcut link will be available in the left menu. When your customer clicks on this link, they will be given access to the screen where they can log in to join a meeting or start a conference if they are the consultant.